Hello students, today we are going to see what is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means it is an expression, it's a number, a variable or a combination of numbers and variables and operation symbol. It means an expression will have a number, a variable or a combination of both numbers and variable and with operation symbols is said to be the algebraic expression. See, for example, 2x plus 4y minus 9. So, this is an algebraic expression. See, it is having a number, variable or a combination of both numbers and variable with operation symbols. Operation symbols means plus, minus, multiplication and division are said to be the operation symbols. In this, x and y are said to be the variables. X and y are said to be the variables. 9 is said to be constant. 2 and 4 are said to be the coefficient. So 2 and 4 are said to be the coefficient. So the coefficient of x is 2 and the coefficient of y is 4. Okay, the number that is before the variable is said to be the coefficient. If they ask the coefficient of x means you have to mention it as 2. If it is asked the coefficient of y means you have to mention it as 4. So this forms the algebraic expression. Now we are going to solve a problem. How to find out x in an algebraic expression. So what is the first question? Find x. First problem, 6x minus 16 plus 5x equal to x. So x is said to be the variable. What is the coefficient of x? The number before it is 6. 6 is the coefficient of x. Look at here. Here I am having 6x. Here also having 5x. Both x terms, like terms. So first I can write 6x next plus 5x minus 16 equal to x. So here also plus 6 plus 5. So I can add 6 plus 5. It is 11x. Next, here I am having minus 16. Minus goes to, this will be the LHS side, this will be the RHS side. If minus goes to RHS side, it will become addition. So 11x equal to 6. Minus goes to RHS means it will become addition, that is 6 plus 16. Next, 11x equal to 6 plus 16. It is 22. LHS side, it is 11x means 11 into x. It is in multiplication symbol. If it goes to RHS side, it will become division. So, keep x as it is. 22. When 11 goes to this side, this will become division. So, 1 11 is 11. 2 11s are 22. So, the answer of x value is x equal to 2. This is the way to find out x from the algebraic expression. Next problem. Five into 2y plus 8, close the bracket, plus 3y equal to 1. So here also I am having the same term, y term. I have to find out y here. Okay. First I have to solve the bracket. That is, first I have to multiply 5 with 2. Next I have to multiply 5 with 8. So 5 into 2 is 5 2s are 10 y. Here you are having plus symbol. So write down plus 5 into 8. 5 8s are 40. Now the bracket is open. Next, plus 3y equal to 1. Again, look at here, 10y plus 3y. So, 10y plus 3y plus 40 equal to 1. 10y plus 3y, 13. 13y plus 40 equal to 1. So, I have to find out y. So, keep 13y as it is. When plus goes to RHS side, it will become minus. So, 1 minus 1 minus 40. Plus 40 when goes to this side, it will become minus 40. Plus into minus, minus. Right? So, 40 minus 1, it will be 39. What is the greater number? 40 is the greater number. What is the sign in front of the greater number? Minus. So, minus 39. Next, I have to find out y. So, 13 into y, it is in multiplication. When multiplication goes to this side, this will become division. So, minus 39 divided by 13. 113 is 13. Next, 3 13s are 39. So, y equal to minus 3. So, the answer for y equal to minus 3. If you like this video, subscribe my channel eMath Tutorial. Click the like button, share my videos. Thank you.